So if you've been living under a rock the last few months, there is a brand new exciting social media app. The app I'm talking about is Lemon8. And this is a video and photo sharing platform from ByteDance, the parents of TikTok. Now, to describe what Lemon8 is like, I'd say it is a cross between Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. And what I like about it already, it has its own trending feed, a lot like TikTok had back in the day, which is great if you're struggling for ideas. Another thing that I think which makes this platform really appealing is the fact you can post multiple different types of content like photos and videos. Meaning if you are great at photo content, for example, and imagery, you can post that. If you feel more comfortable delivering videos, you can post that. There is something for everyone. And what I will say to you, if you are hesitating joining another social media platform, then I really recommend you get on this right now, because I did the same thing when I joined TikTok in late 2018 before it blew up during the pandemic, right? And it gave me a head start over everyone else. Meaning if you jump on this platform right now and start posting content, by the time it starts trending and becomes really popular, you're going to be ahead of the curve. You're going to be ahead of the pack. You're going to be a go-to expert in your niche. Not only that, it's really easy to upload and create content because you can reuse your other content from the other social media platforms you're currently on, like Instagram and TikTok. And for some posts, it will just be easy to edit them in a platform like Canva slightly if you need to. Another thing I like is you can advertise your other social media platforms on your profile, meaning you can cross promote people from one platform onto another to get people from your Lemon8 profile to your Instagram if you want, or your YouTube channel, and so on. And you can even add a link as well. If you want to start growing with me right now on Lemon8, go and find me on I am Matt Jupp, and let's get this party started. And I promise you, by doing so, you will thrive on this platform. You can also enhance the appearance of your feed by adding your own different cover photos. Meaning if you're into branding, you can have your own unique style. So at the moment, all the content on the app has to fit into these main categories: fashion and beauty, food, wellness and travel, and home. But I guarantee more categories are going to be added soon. Plus, you can still find other creators in different niches by using the search bar or using the hashtags. For example, I deliver social media tips and marketing, and there are loads of different posts and hashtags based on this niche already. Now, we're still in really early stages of this app, but I promise you it will be worth it if you get on board right now. And this will give you time to gain experience on the app, and you'll get better and better while growing a following and building up a nice community. Not only that, by being on this platform, it will help you and enhance your editing and content creation skills for other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest and so on. Here are the best practices I recommend you doing right now. Number 1, sign up and follow me for a start. I am Matt Jupp. Number 2, have a clear quality profile picture that represents what you and your account and what it's going to be about. If you need an app to assist you to making a profile picture, use PFP Maker. Next, create a username which is related to your niche, or just use your own name. This is because your username is also going to be SEO discoverable, meaning other people will be able to find you with just your username, providing you've got the same or right keywords in it. Make sure you put in your bio who your profile or your account is aimed for, who is your target audience. This will help someone decide if they should follow you or not, or check out the rest of your content. I recommend also saying what you deliver on your page, how you help people with your content or what you deliver, because clarity is everything. Then I recommend a call to action, which could be something like follow for so-and-so, or check the link in my bio, and add in some authority or credentials will help you massively as well. If you can't fit all of these in, don't worry, but this should give you some solid foundations to work on. And you can mix and match at any time as well. My next tip is I recommend you finding 10 or 12 pieces of content which you really liked or they perform really well from other social media platforms, and then put this on your new Lemon8 app. And the reason why I say this is because when people come onto your profile, they're going to have content to look through and binge. And if there's no content or there's only one post, they're probably not going to follow you, if I'm honest. So give them something to consume. If 12 sounds way too much and you can't post that amount already, then try and aim for 6 at least. Follow 10 to 20 accounts, more if you would like, because this will give you inspiration for content ideas, and also you can engage with them to help build a community and get more eyes and attention on your profile. Note, make sure whatever content you're posting, if it's videos or uploads, it has a clear title cover on it. So even if you had your phone about a meter away, you can clearly identify what that content is all about. If somebody doesn't understand what your post is about, then they're not going to check it out or even click on it. If you can post on topics which are based on the themes that are already out there, the subject, they're more likely to get shown on the sort of For You section. But don't worry, because people will still be able to find your content through the hashtags and the search engine at the top of the app. And like I said, don't worry, more categories will be added in time. Make sure each post you do has a reasonable caption with a call to action at the end. And my final tip to help the ball get rolling for you and start getting eyes on your profile and new followers is to engage with people every day or daily or on a regular basis. And I recommend setting a timer by 15 to 20 minutes, all right, and just comment on people's posts in the same industry as you, or just comment to 20 accounts a day. And there you go. Make sure you like this video if you found it valuable. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and content like this, and I will see you on the next one.